In this video, I will show you the settings where you can activate address auto-completion in Shopify checkout. First, we'll log into your Shopify admin account and then click on these settings and then look for checkout. Then at the very top, look for configurations and then click on customize. Once the editor loads, on the left, look for the settings sidebar and then scroll all the way to the bottom. And there's an option to enable the address auto-completion. Set the checkmark right here and then save changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update in the system and then go back to checkout and refresh it. Now let's try typing any address into the address field. 1 York Street, Toronto. And there's the auto-completion feature. It works as expected. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this tip helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.